Welcome to Alder Residences here in Acacia Estates, Taguig City. Hi, my name is Arnie. I'm a licensed broker here in the Philippines, specializing in condominiums for rent for sale within Taguig and nearby cities. Today, we're going to check the swimming pool area of Alder Residences. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, if you are interested to buy, reselling, or resale two-bedroom or three-bedroom units here in Alder Residences, we still have available units for sale. Don't hesitate to contact me via the contact details found in the video description and on the screen. Also, we have two bedrooms and three bedrooms that are for long-term lease. This is a Andea building, and the next building is Manzuria. This is the newly turned over Alder Residences that is located in Acacia Estates, Taguig City. Today, we will feature the swimming pools of Alder Residences that are located in front of Andea and Manzuria building. So that's the start of the Delure Pool, and it goes here. And it flows over there. This is the lap pool, and it has like lines, and we have the barbecue and the picnic area on the side. So there is a walkway over here. So we will go around. Then you have a cabana over here. So this is the leisure pool, and on the other side is the kiddie pool. And that's where we are going now. So there's a walkway. That is Oregon, that is Manzuria. So you have steps here, and then this is wood. So ganun siya. Yeah. When we walk here, then we go here. There's stairs. Okay, we have stairs going to the pool. This is the kiddie pool. Then you can walk around that area. There's another stairs there. Okay. But we will check over here. Today is a Saturday. No one's swimming. Okay. Again, this is wood. Okay. So you have stairs there. and another stairs on this side. Okay. Now let's check the rules and regulations for the use of the swimming pool. So for children, they must have adult supervision, use proper swimming attire, no diving, no food, no smoking, no pets, no glass container, no horse play or no running, use proper swimming attire, and you have to shower before using the pool. Is exclusive for unit owners or residents on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and holidays. Then the pool is closed every Thursday for general cleaning. Okay, and then you must have to register with the pool attendant, with the queer there, before you can swim. Okay. This pool is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. So yeah, you can go down here. Now, where will you shower? Okay, so let's go to that area. So we're walking towards Andea or the shower area. So there will be a shower area that will be installed here and another one on that side. That's according to the Kuya lifeguard. But then there's a shower room here downstairs. So again, this is still under construction. It's not yet completed. So it's near the corner of Andea first floor. So you'll have to take 2 flights down. Here's the second one. And then you have a shower room for male and another one for female. So again, that is not yet completed. And we're going to go back near the pool. So this is fake grass. Then you have the pool lounge chairs that you can use to sit and relax and enjoy the view, right? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the swimming pool tour today. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.